Car insurance versus comprehensive versus classic versus gap versus third party versus young driver. Which one is better for complete protection? Buying car insurance can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options. Most drivers get this wrong by assuming one type covers everything. The surprising truth is that comprehensive, classic, gap, third party, and young driver insurance each protect different aspects of your vehicle and liability. Comprehensive insurance is the most extensive. It covers damage to your car, theft, fire, and third-party liability. It's ideal for new or high-value cars, providing peace of mind for almost every scenario. Classic car insurance is tailored for older, collectible vehicles. It often has mileage limits, agreed values, and restrictions on modifications, keeping premiums fair while still protecting your investment. Gap insurance bridges the gap between your car's market value and what you owe on finance or lease agreements. If your car is written off, standard insurance might not cover the remaining loan, but Gap does. Third-party insurance is the minimum legal requirement in many countries. It covers damage or injury to others, but doesn't protect your own vehicle. It's cost-effective, but leaves you vulnerable if your car is damaged. Young driver insurance addresses higher risk profiles for drivers under 25. Policies may include telematics or black box devices to monitor driving behavior, reducing premiums while promoting safer driving. So, which is better for complete protection? Comprehensive insurance is the safest all-rounder. Gap is useful if your car is financed, classic insurance for vintage vehicles, third party for budget-conscious drivers, and young driver policies for under October 15, 2025. The key takeaway is to match your insurance to your car type, ownership situation, and driving experience. Choosing the right combination ensures full coverage, financial security, and peace of mind on the road.